Their shoulders.
Dari kawan-kawan pengurus udah dan Yuni Ciko mengharapkan kawan-kawan bisa kawan-kawan untuk mewujudkan jadi generasi muda yang capek kaki dengan tangan. Jadi aku harapkan Ciko kawan-kawan seriusan kawan-kawan untuk beraja ya. Serius kawan-kawan beraja di Ciko kan. Beserta forum IMIB Leadership Training 2016 resmi SMK.
Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye.
see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no mama, you never shed tear. Cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find him nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know. So you not stop, no time for your dear.
Kita kesel dan banyak-banyak berdoa aja. Semoga amal ibadah diterima dan taubatnya diterima. Karena memang orang seperti itu memang udah banyak kita jumpai di sini. Dari mulai petinggi-petinggi kita, pejabat-pejabat kita, ya seperti itu juga. Sama halnya seperti di luar negeri juga seperti itu. Tapi nggak terlalu banyak membludak seperti yang ada di Indonesia. Karena di luar negeri itu yang mulai sendiri di situ. Mereka nggak pikirkan kayak gitu. Karena memang kalian sebelumnya berpikiran optimis, mereka akan menerima materi kalian, akan senang, akan puas. Jadi itulah cara menghindari supaya kita nggak blank nantinya.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say what, so talk tonight. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
I've been here all night, Ariana. I've been here all day, Nicki Minaj. And boy, you got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body, feeling like I wanna rock with your body, and we don't gotta think about nothing. I'm coming at you, cause I know you got a bad reputation. Doesn't matter cause you give me temptation.
ILT adalah untuk membekali jiwa kepemimpinan bagi adik-adik 2015-2016. Dengan adanya ILT bisa bermanfaat bagi adik-adik kita 2015-2016.
I've been here all day, and boy, you got me walking side to side. I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and boy, you got me walking side to side. Been trying to hide it, baby, what's it gonna
change.